Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the latest and greatest gadgets. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the Hibo 65W45W USB-C fast power adapter, designed to keep your Dell laptop powered up and ready to go. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Let's kickstart this review by introducing the Hibo 65W45W USB-C fast power adapter. If you own a Dell laptop, you're in for a treat. This versatile charger is here to simplify your charging woes and keep you powered up. Now, let's take a closer look at the features that make this adapter a game changer. Packing a punch at 65W, it's compatible with a wide input range. It's equipped with a USB Type-C connector, making it perfect for a variety of Dell laptops. Compatible with a host of Dell laptops, including XPS and Latitude series. Get your laptop charged up to 60% in just 35 minutes, thanks to the 45W fast charging capability. It's compatible with various Dell part numbers, ensuring a snug fit. Crafted with durability in mind, it features zinc alloy construction and nylon woven material, designed to last. Say goodbye to cable tangles with its flat design. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for on-the-go charging. Before we delve deeper, let's talk about Hibo. This North American company is dedicated to providing top-quality electronic accessories, and their products undergo rigorous quality control. Your satisfaction and safety are their top priorities. Now, let's talk performance. The Hibo adapter delivers a whopping 65W of power, and it's designed to work seamlessly with various Dell laptops, including XPS and Latitude models. With a 45W fast charging feature, you can charge your laptop up to 60% in just 35 minutes, saving you valuable time. One of the standout features of this charger is its wide compatibility range. Whether you have a Dell XPS or Latitude laptop, this adapter has you covered. It even works with Dell Chromebooks, Vostro, and Inspiron models. No need to worry about compatibility issues. The Hibo adapter is built to endure. With its zinc alloy construction, it's 700% stronger, ensuring longevity. The parachute-grade nylon woven material adds to its durability. This adapter is designed to withstand the test of time. We all appreciate convenience, right? The flat design of this cable prevents those annoying tangles. Plus, it comes with Velcro for easy organization when not in use. It's lightweight and portable, fitting into your bag or pocket with ease. In conclusion, the Hibo 65W45W USB-C fast power adapter is your tech companion for Dell laptops. With its fast charging, wide compatibility, and durable build, it's a must-have accessory for anyone on the go. Have you tried the Hibo charger for your Dell laptop? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, and remember to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. I'm your host, signing off. Stay charged, stay connected, and keep exploring the world of tech with Hibo by your side. Until next time.